And welcome back. Well, earlier in the show, we heard from CommonGround volunteer Paula Peterson on how producers determine when the time is right to harvest their crops.
Now Paula is back with a recipe to share. And Paula, you are making a fruit salsa with some baked cinnamon chips. That sounds and looks really good.
Yep, this is a fun little fruit salsa recipe that I do with my family, and I'm kind of changing it up a little bit today. I've got the fruit salsa just as fruit salsa already mixed up over here.
There you go.
And then I've going to add yogurt in it to make it a more of a breakfast salsa as well. So I've got half a quart of vanilla yogurt because I'm trying to make a half a batch since I did half with the other. But if you were going to do the whole thing, you would want to do the whole thing of yogurt. I've got apples, Granny Smith apples. I like them. You could use a different one. I'm using peaches this morning. You could use apricots if you wanted, or nectarines. Throwing in a little bit of diced mango. I don't do a lot with mango, but it sounds kind of fun. I'm using blackberries as well. You could use raspberries if you would prefer. And then throwing in strawberries, because you can't go wrong with that. It's a bright, fresh fruit. You could use it for, mix it in with your oatmeal if you wanted. We're going to add a little bit of honey.
There you go.
I like, yeah. And a little bit of lemon juice, because that'll help add the little salsa bite. I'm using strawberry preserves here today. You could use apricot, peach, whatever. I mean, I think you could probably even use an apple jelly if you wanted. And then you just get a nice mix as a fruit dip you can use with the cinnamon chips that you make. And I just use flour chips, cut them up into wedges, spray them with Pam, and then sprinkle them with cinnamon sugar and bake them about 10 minutes. And then you have got, it's really simple, it's versatile. Tom thinks you could use the fruit salsa on ice cream if you wanted to take it for dessert. But it's just a fun, easy way to add some extra fruit into your lunch boxes.
Ooh, those look so good. I want to try, and we'll have to do it here at the commercial break.
Yeah, that's right.
I
at
know.
The commercial, not at the end of the show, just right during the commercial break. Yeah.
I wish I could be over there, Paula, but because of the pandemic, we are like this today.
Doing a little social distancing, I guess.
Yeah, but those look really good.
We see you across the room, so that's good.
And you'll be demonstrating these on Saturday, is that right?
Yep, I'll be there Saturday at noon at Raising Nebraska, and we will be showing a little bit more information about what we're doing with harvest and healthy lunches.
Perfect. And this recipe is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page right now if people would like to write it down.